In this video today, I'm going to go over something that you may know or may not know, but why you want to revoke your smart contract if you have fallen victim to a phishing attempt, scam, scheme, whatever it is. Now, if you're not going to listen to the end, just stop right now and don't put this into your mind, because what will happen is a lot of people will listen to the first part and then they'll revoke some contract that then may get them into trouble. So I'm not saying that you should revoke all your smart contracts. What I'm saying is know about this. And if you have a smart contract that you know you're no longer using, then revoke it. And I'll give an example later on. But here is the reason why you want to do it. Someone fell victim to losing 1,576 ETH and didn't take any action. And then another 158 ETH was stolen again. So I will leave this, this URL down below, but it kind of goes through, and this group, scamsniffer.io, saw this happen, and they track a lot of these scams. And they tried to contact the victim of this Ethereum wallet. They put a message in, and you can kind of go down and see. They added a message, and then Etherscan let this user know, if they would have logged in, that there was a message from someone. So you can do that. Just know that it is available to you. As far as a lot of the blockchains, you can put messages in there. They Slow Mist, which is a service that tracks a lot of the blockchain transactions. Slow Mist found several potential Twitter and ENS related to the victim. So they really thought that they found the victim that they could then contact and let them know that they need to get rid of the smart contract, revoke the smart contract so that more is not stolen. So it's an interesting process that you can go through to see and track people on different blockchains, but that's not what this is about. This is about if you fall victim, or if you know that you're not going to be using a smart contract, just get rid of the smart contract in your particular Ethereum wallet. I'm only going to be covering Ethereum right now, just because it's the easiest one to do, just to give you an idea. So Revoke is the company that they're recommending, but you don't have to go to Revoke. I don't know who they are. Doing my research, I just kind of stumbled across them. I'm going to use just the Ethereum blockchain with Etherscan. But this is, one reason why I've recommended that if you hold a big bag of Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, you don't want to use your main bag of Ethereum or your main bag wallet if you're going to do something that might risk your coins. Transfer it to another ledger, and this ledger can sign the smart contract. If there's any type of scam, if there's any type of issue, this wallet will be lost, and not everything. So, just something to think about. So we're going to get into the nitty gritty now. You can visit etherscan.io, and then under more, go to token approvals. It's in beta, but go ahead and go to token approvals. It will take you here. You need to connect your Web3 wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask, but you can use two other options. We're going to click on Connect to Web3. It will give you this little notification that it's beta, so it may or it may not work. We're going to say OK. And you can use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase Wallet. I'm going to select MetaMask, and it's going to bring this particular smart contract up that I'm no longer using. This is ADX. This is, back in 2020. So we're talking, close to going on 4 years. This is an ERC20. You can click on the ERC 721 and the ERC 1155. I don't have any of those. So I'm going to go to the ERC20, and I'm going to click Revoke. And here is the token, the symbol, the spender, the original allowance, and I'm going to say Revoke. MetaMask is going to come up. Oh, look at that. I don't have enough Ethereum in this particular wallet to reject or revoke this particular contract. I'm not going to send any to this because I don't need to revoke it because there's really nothing in this wallet. So, you know, when I do something that I can't back out of, you guys kind of get to see what might happen. But you will have to approve it in whatever method you choose. If I hit approve, if I had enough ETH, then it would go through and revoke that. So I hope this helps. But again, only revoke smart contracts that you are not using, or if you feel like you've fallen victim to a phishing attempt. Because if you reject a smart contract that is still active, I honestly am not sure what's going to happen to that smart contract. If you're staking something, if you're doing this, that, and the other, it really depends on the smart contract. So be smart when you revoke something. And that's all I have for today. Everybody, enjoy.